Once upon a time, in a small, cozy village nestled between tall, green hills, lived a kind and gentle unicorn named Kingsley Shacklebolt. Every night, Kingsley would wander the village, his silvery horn glistening under the moonlight. He was not just a magical creature, but a friend to everyone. One evening, a little girl named Lily found herself unable to sleep. She felt scared in the dark and wished for a friend to comfort her. Lily crept out of her cozy bed, wrapped in her favorite blanket, and tiptoed to the window. She saw Kingsley in the distance, and with a hopeful heart, she called out to him. Kingsley, hearing Lily's voice, trotted over to her. With a gentle nuzzle, he took the little girl's hand, leading her on a magical nighttime adventure. They walked through the quiet village, watching the stars twinkle above and the fireflies dance around them. Kingsley told Lily stories of faraway lands and magical creatures, filling her heart with wonder and happiness. As they reached the edge of the village, they found a beautiful meadow illuminated by the silvery moonlight. There, they sat down, and Kingsley sang a soothing lullaby that filled the air with peace. Lily's eyes grew heavy, and she soon drifted off to sleep, cradled in Kingsley's warm, gentle embrace. When she awoke, she was back in her cozy bed, with a heart full of joy and a mind filled with magical dreams. From that night on, Lily never felt afraid of the dark again. She knew that every night, Kingsley would watch over her, filling her dreams with magic and love. And so, the gentle unicorn named Kingsley Shacklebolt became not just a friend, but a guardian angel for little Lily.